The US dollar has long reigned supreme as the world's leading reserve currency. Its dominance has shaped global finance and trade for decades. However, the emergence of the euro has introduced a potential challenger. The euro, now the currency of 20 European nations, boasts a significant share of global reserves and international transactions. This essay explores whether the euro can truly dethrone the dollar and reshape the global financial order. The euro's rise is undeniable. It represents a formidable economic bloc, backed by a large and diverse economy. The Eurozone's commitment to stability and its sophisticated financial infrastructure make it an attractive alternative to the dollar. Yet the dollar's deep-rooted advantages, including its liquidity, geopolitical clout, and the sheer size of US financial markets, cannot be ignored. The path to dethroning the dollar is fraught with challenges. The Eurozone must overcome internal divisions, strengthen its financial architecture, and navigate the complexities of global geopolitics. Meanwhile, the rise of other contenders like China's renminbi further complicates the picture. The future of global currency leadership remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: the euro is a force to be reckoned with. The US dollar's dominance is deeply ingrained in the global financial system. It serves as the primary currency for international trade, foreign exchange reserves, and commodity pricing. This dominance stems from several factors. The United States boasts the world's largest economy and deepest financial markets. These markets offer unparalleled liquidity and investment opportunities, making the dollar a safe haven for investors worldwide. Furthermore, the dollar benefits from the United States' geopolitical influence. As a global superpower, the US exerts significant political and military power. This influence underpins the dollar's stability and reinforces its role as the currency of choice for international transactions. The dollar's dominance also grants the United States an exorbitant privilege. This refers to the economic advantages the US enjoys by issuing the world's reserve currency. These advantages include lower borrowing costs and the ability to finance deficits more easily. However, recent events have cast a shadow on the dollar's seemingly unassailable position. The rise of emerging economies, geopolitical shifts, and internal challenges within the United States have prompted questions about the dollar's long-term supremacy. The Trump administration's policies introduced an element of uncertainty into the global economy. Protectionist trade measures, volatile rhetoric, and concerns about US debt levels rattled investor confidence. These actions had a tangible impact on the dollar's standing. Investors sought refuge in alternative assets such as gold and the Japanese yen, while European stocks experienced increased inflows. The administration's approach to international relations also raised eyebrows. Withdrawal from international agreements and a more confrontational stance towards allies created a sense of unpredictability. This unpredictability extended to economic policy, as evidenced by the trade war with China. The imposition of tariffs and counter-tariffs disrupted global supply chains and fueled economic anxieties. These actions, coupled with concerns about the sustainability of US debt levels, fueled speculation about a potential decline in the dollar's dominance. While the dollar weathered these storms, the Trump era highlighted the potential vulnerability of even the most established reserve currencies to political and economic shocks. The uncertainties surrounding the US economy and the dollar's future have created a window of opportunity for the euro. As doubts about US economic and political stability arose, investors began to seek alternatives. The Eurozone, with its large and diversified economy, emerged as a viable option. The euro's stability and the European Central Bank's prudent monetary policy attracted investors seeking a safe haven from the dollar's volatility. Furthermore, the euro stands to benefit from the global transition to a more sustainable future. The European Union has positioned itself as a leader in the fight against climate change and the development of green technologies. The Eurozone is already a major hub for green finance, with the majority of green bonds denominated in euros. As the world invests trillions in renewable energy, sustainable infrastructure, and other green initiatives, the euro is well placed to capture a significant share of this growing market. This shift towards a green economy presents a unique opportunity for the euro to enhance its global standing and potentially challenge the dollar's dominance in the long run.